Hi everyone, how are you? So now this is the module 4 dissection of questions, another exercise for you. This is very important. Now see, when you are sitting in the exam, this is a topic which you see. For example, it could be on environment, it can be on internal security, Naxalism, anything, right? Now when you see the theme or what we call the core of the question, how many points can you generate? Okay, this might be helpful in your essay. This not might, this would be helpful in your essay writing also, right? Where you dissect the questions into different simpler parts. Okay, so for example, I'll tell you, because this module, the video will be very short, you will understand it very easily and very easy to submit also. So I expect that you'll submit it within 24 hours. So now, for example, you see the theme of the question is India's energy transition. Now, immediately, how many points can you write? Just don't write, don't explain them. Broadly, how many points can you think of? सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 पॉइंट लिखने हैं आपको. इस तरह की एक्सरसाइज है. ये 3 पॉइंट्स आई विल डिस्कस विद यू. दीज पॉइंट्स विल बी डिस्कस्ड, ये आपसे डिस्कस किए जाएंगे. आई विल टेल यू 5 पॉइंट्स ईच. आपको मैं 5 पॉइंट्स ईच हर एक के आगे बताऊंगी. देन यू हैव टू डू द एक्सरसाइज विद द अदर पार्ट्स ऑल्सो. ओके, तो ये सब आपकी एक्सरसाइज के लिए है. आगे द स्पेस इज लेस, जगह कम है, बट यू हैव टू राइट 5 पॉइंट्स ईच. Okay, now for example, when I think of India's energy transition, you can do this exercise at the same time. So how many points do you think of? For example, whenever energy comes to my mind, fossil fuels come to my mind, right? So what can I write? For example, we need shift from fossil fuels to renewables. So I will write shift from, let me write in short, fossil fuels to renewables, right? This could be 1 point. Now don't worry, you can even give a one word. Your point can be of one word, or it could be few words also. That is acceptable. Okay, now what else can you think? So when I talk about transition, that is a change. Whatever present energy source are we using? Majority we are using this thing only, your fossil fuels only, right? And we need energy transition for a safer environment to save the climate from the extreme climatic changes. So we need to shift from fossil fuels. What options we have? As an option, we have solar expansion. That's what can be written under this particular theme, right? Then green energy. Randomly, whatever you can think, you don't have to think hard. Randomly, whatever points come to your mind. Grid monetization. So fifth could be energy efficiency programs. These are the different things that can be written under this particular theme, right? Now if we look at the second topic, artificial intelligence and governance. So what all topics can we think of? So AI, how it can be used for public delivery, I can write on this. What else comes to mind is ethical concerns, because these are days lot of debates is on the ethical concerns regarding AI. Will it overpower the humans? Something like that. So we can have a discussion on this. Another, e-governance and AI integration. This is another point I can think of. Next, likewise, I'll write for 2 more points. Okay. For example, cyber security challenges. What comes to my mind? Rising cyber attacks. I will talk about this particular topic, right? I will talk about digital India. Because the more digital we are becoming, more cyber attacks. We are more vulnerable to cyber attacks. We need global, because there are international attacks too. We need global cooperation over cyber security. We need to skill our people in cybersecurity. So, skill development in cyber security is important. We need data protection. Likewise, whatever points you remember randomly about a particular theme, you have to submit that. So, three broad themes I have discussed with you and given you 14 for the exercise. So, you have your time, submit them on time, and then we will start practicing the introduction parts that you will just be writing introductions of few questions every day. Okay. So, see you again. If you have any query, you can contact me in your personal chats. Thank you.